Hello. The School of Management maintains cameras for special project use. This tutorial will show you basically what's included in the camera kit, how to get those, and how to use them basically. A camera will come in a case, a video camera, which includes a number of components. Each one of these components will be checked out to you. They include a power adapter, a camera, a USB cable, and other audio-visual cameras or cables that you may need. It also includes a remote control. It's not a real good reason that any of these should be needed, but the remote control comes with each camera. Each one of these items will be checked out, they'll be signed over to the person requesting it, and they'll be required to come back. Failure to return those, all in a complete package, will result in the replacement cost being borne by the person checking it out. Each one of these things are included in a kit. Other optional equipment may include a tripod. What I wanted to do real quick is show you how to connect the tripod to the camera, which you'll do by using the connecting hole at the bottom with the actual tripod. This will screw into it and allow you to maneuver and tighten this and move it around as you need to. The different controls on here, this will allow you to rotate by tightening or loosening this horizontally. The actual handle, when tightened, will allow you to do that. You can loosen it to adjust it in any way. This type of tripod right here is similar to larger ones that may be included and sent at checkout. The other option that the other feature I wanted to show you is actually how to record this. And so what you'll do is you'll open up the connection, and the display will actually indicate what types of things you need to be able to do. It will remind you to check the lens cover if you haven't opened it. The lens cover can be opened on the side, which will expose the lens. If you wish to record, the record button is here on the back. You'll want to make sure that the toggle button at the top is set for video camera, which is to the left right there. Still shots can be done by moving it to the right. Leaving it on the left will allow you to record. You can start recording by pressing Start Stop. It is now recording, which you'll be able to see by the REC, or the record indicator, in the top of the display. The microphone is built in, and the volume is there's no volume to adjust, so it's now picking up ambient or room noise. Once you're finished, you can press stop to stop recording, and you'll be indicated up there in the top right hand corner of the display that recording has stopped. Okay? Now, if at any time you need to charge this, or the battery has lost its charge, which it will maintain several hours on a full charge, the plug at the top, which is included in the camera bag, can be plugged in up here in the top. To do so, you'll insert this in the only way that it shows, following the arrow. You'll plug that into the top of the camera, and you'll plug this into the wall. This wall receptacle will, any AC receptacle, will help charge the battery, or you can run directly recording or playback while this is plugged in. Either way is your choice. To be able to take the videos off of this camera, there is no media, so there are no tapes required, there are no memory sticks required, but a computer is required, and for our purposes we are saying that a PC camera is the only available option. In another tutorial, we'll show you how to install software on a PC computer to be able to download these videos. With the USB cable that comes in the packet, you'll plug the USB portion of this after the software has been installed on your computer into any USB port on your computer. The other side is specifically made for this connection, and you'll find the connection on the front of the camera under the receptacle in the bottom right hand corner. You'll plug that in, and this will connect the camera to your PC computer where the software is installed. You can then use the software to download the videos from off the camera. Once the videos are downloaded off the camera, they may be erased on here, or you can leave them on there. However, when you return it, anything that's left will be erased automatically. That concludes the basics of the camera operation. There's not a whole lot to using this camera. It's a point and shoot camera. There's some other features on here like tight and wide, which you'll find out up at the top here. Wide is to get the fullest extent of the lens. Tight is to zoom in on a certain subject, and you'll be able to toggle that back and forth and see that on the display. If you have any questions about this video or any problems that arise, you're invited to go to the website http://som.gmu.edu/mysom, MYSOM, and you can complete your request for service on that page. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll talk to you again on another tutorial.